Langata Hospital Laboratory in Nairobi has been closed indefinitely. The facility has was raided earlier this morning by officials from the Kenya Medical Laboratory Technician and Technologist Board following allegations that it was carrying out fake COVID-19 tests. The hospital is on the spot for allegedly colluding with some Kenya Medical Research Institute staff to charge and conduct unauthorized COVID-19 tests despite lacking the capacity to do so. Vincent Oduor has the rest of that report.
It was an early morning visit by officials of the laboratory's regulatory body. They discovered that Langata Hospital management has been asking those seeking to be tested for COVID-19 to pay 5,500 shillings, then ferrying them in an ambulance to Kemri for the actual test. This is despite the hospital informing the public that the COVID-19 test is available at the facility.
We are able to charge them against.
It now emerges that there was collusion between Langata Hospital and Kemri to illegally generate revenue from people, even though Kemri is not supposed to charge for COVID-19 tests.
We have also tried to establish if there is any agreement or memorandum of understanding with a public institution that does the COVID-19 testing, but we were able to be given a document which is a subject of investigation as we speak. So the reason why we have concluded to close this laboratory is that they are lying to the public that they are doing the COVID-19 testing while they are not.
During the raid, it was also discovered that the management of Langata Hospital had stocked and was using expired reagents for biochemistry tests.
HIV syphilis kit from GOK, MOH.
A number of syphilis and HIV test kits labeled Government of Kenya that are not for sale were also found stocked in the laboratory, despite the hospital being a private facility.
We have also realized that they stock and use expired medical laboratory reagents. And these are the tests which are used for the kit, the chemistry tests, and some stains for parasites that they have expired, and we found them being used to carry out tests on patient specimens.
The director of the hospital, the chief operations officer, laboratory manager, and the lab technologist were arrested. The four are spending the night in police cells as investigations into the matter continue. Vincent Oduor, NTV.